Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vasu and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's jump right into it. As I continue to unbox the MacBook, let me walk you through its specs. So this is the Core i9-9880H model with the 1TB SSD, 16 gigs of RAM and the Radeon 5500M GPU, the 4GB version. It set me back about 225k INR or about 3000 USD. I got about 15,000 off on the MRP and got the second gen AirPods for free as well. So I'd say it was a fairly good deal all things considered. I mainly went with this model because I wanted to get into more serious video editing and to start live streaming some of the games I play. I'll soon be posting a video comparing this to my 6-year-old 13-inch MacBook Pro and sharing my first impressions about this laptop as well. So definitely be on the lookout for more content. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and peace out.